For today's video, I'm going to go over comparative and superlative adjectives. I'm going to do so with some sentences and then a bonus activity. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So I've got these three examples here showing big, bigger, and biggest here. And so what I would like to do is I'll read the sentence first and then you repeat it after me, okay? So let's practice with this one here. So for the first one, the sentence says, the dog is big. Now let's take a look at the second sentence. So I'll read it first and again, just repeat it here. The dog is bigger. And for the third one, the dog is the biggest. Let's take a look at hot, hotter, and hottest now. And I've got these three sentences here for each. So just like what I did before, I'll read it first and then you repeat it, okay? The tea is hot. The fire is hotter. The sun is the hottest. Let's take a look at these three here, fat, fatter, and fattest. And again, I've got sentences here for these, and I'll just say it, and then you repeat it after me. The black cat is fat. The orange cat is fatter. The brown cat is the fattest. For the bonus activity, I've got these adjectives here, and I just want you to write the comparative and superlative for each one. Okay, so I'll do thin first, and then I'll leave the rest for you. Okay, so the comparative for thin would be thinner, and the superlative for thin would be thinnest. Okay, so that's basically it. I just want you to fill in the blanks here for the rest of these, and that's the bonus activity. And I will leave a link for the answer key in the description down below. So that's today's video. I just wanted to show some examples of comparative and superlatives and just show you how they look in context with a sentence. All right. So as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.